If you're searching for an Excel to MySQL specialization review, you're probably wondering if this Duke University program on Coursera is worth taking. The short answer is yes, especially if you want to build practical business analytics skills without needing a technical background. Before we begin, if you decide to enroll, check the link in the description. It gives you access to the latest discount on Coursera Plus. This specialization is offered by Duke University and has attracted more than 236,000 learners. It holds a strong 4.6 out of 5 rating from over 15,000 reviews. The program starts with business metrics and analytics fundamentals. Then you'll learn advanced data analysis in Excel, create professional dashboards in Tableau, work with relational databases using MySQL, and complete a Capstone project based on a real business scenario. The Capstone is designed with input from Airbnb, giving you experience solving practical business problems. By the end of the specialization, you'll know how to analyze data, build predictive models, create data visualizations, write SQL queries, and present business insights with confidence. You'll also earn a shareable career certificate from Duke University that you can add to your LinkedIn profile or resume. If you only want this specialization, purchasing it individually may be enough. But if you're planning to learn data analytics, Excel, SQL, Tableau, AI, or other business skills, buying programs one by one can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the better value. It gives you unlimited access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations from Duke, Google, IBM, Stanford, Microsoft, Johns Hopkins, and many other leading institutions. Right now, eligible learners can save 40% on the first 3 months of the Coursera Plus monthly plan. The monthly price drops from $59 to $35.40 for 3 consecutive months. It's an excellent deal if you plan to complete several programs. If you'd like to explore the Duke University Excel to MySQL specialization or claim the latest Coursera Plus discount, you'll find the link in the description below.